percent error. Percent error is a ratio that describes how far an estimate is from the actual amount. So we have been working with proportions like with percent markup, markdown, increase, decrease, tax, and tip. So percent error works a little bit differently. So let's go ahead and write. So it's going to be the absolute value, so of the predicted value minus the actual value right. Don't forget your absolute value marks. So it's the absolute value of the predicted minus the actual over or divided by the actual amount. And then all of this is multiplied by 100. So it's multiplied by 100 because percents are always out of 100. So it's very, very easy once you do the examples. So let's do one. Chuck estimates that it will take him 30 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and circle that, to do his math homework. He is able to complete it in 25 minutes. What is his percent error? So let's go ahead. So remember, it's the absolute value of the predicted minus the actual, the absolute value, divided by the actual amount times 100. So before we start on this problem, let's figure out which one is the actual amount and the predicted amount. So I'm going to write predicted over here. So the predicted amount, so Chuck thinks that it will take him 30 minutes. So that is his predicted amount. The actual amount of time that it takes him to do that is the 25 minutes. So now I know where I'm going to put everything in my equation. So let's set that up. So it's the predicted, so it's the absolute value of 30 minus what he actually did, which was 25, over what he actually did, which is 25, and multiply that by 100. So let's break it down first. Let's do this part first. So 30 minus the 25. So 30 minus 25 gives us 5. We don't need to worry about the absolute value because it was already positive, over 25 times 100. So now let's take a look at the 5 divided by the 25. Now don't think of it as 25 divided by 25 and it being 5. The 5 is how much you're splitting up into 25 groups. So 5 divided by 25 is going to give you 0.2. So this gives you that. And then it's still going to be multiplied by 100. So 0.2 or 2/10 times 100 gives me 20%. So his estimate, even though he was only off by 5 minutes, he was off by 25% of what he thought he was going to be. And that's it. So in percent error, as long as you know how to fill out this, you will be good. And that's it.